Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to expand images on Capcut using AI. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your Capcut editor. It's on PC, and then you just want to get the image ready that you want to expand. So you can do this actually with two sizes. So for example, we'll just pick this picture here from a high school. Now what you can do if you use it for shorts or reels or TikToks, whatever, you can just use this size 9 to 16. What you want to do next is go to AI stylus and then click on this, and then you just want to autofill this. So usually you just have to wait a few seconds, but I already did it. And then the AI gets to work, and then the images expands, and then just pull it back, and then we have the image that we had before, but now it's way bigger. And you can also do this the other way. So if you just add the image and then 16 to 9, then it's like this. And if we click on the style here again and you click on this autofill, you get a bigger picture. Just expand, and then you filled up the whole screen. And that's basically how you do it, guys. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.